In today's video, I've decided to share with you guys websites that actually have access to Seedance and are confirmed by ByteDance themselves. Now just take a look at these videos and images. The detail, the quality, everything looks insane. Like, I'm genuinely in awe. And here's the interesting part. Some of these sites offer daily credits, while others are completely free, no limits. Now that alone is already powerful, but it gets even better. I'm also going to show you a platform where you can make a lot of money monetizing your AI content, or honestly, any type of content from any niche. And the best part, you get to keep up to 90% of what you earn. On top of that, it's trusted, reliable, and comes with almost no restrictions, which is rare, very rare. I mean, isn't that just too much? Anyway, let's get started. Dreamina AI. Now starting with this one. This tool is actually listed by ByteDance itself, and that's a big deal, because it means it officially offers the Dream Real model. Not a fake version, not something with a similar name, but the real one. And the best part, it's completely free to use. Yes, you heard that right. Not free with limits, not free with hidden restrictions, but free and unlimited. And on top of that, you can use it for both image and video generation, which is exactly why we're starting with it. Now we're already on the homepage, so let's go ahead and sign up. Use Google to make it faster, and once you're signed in, this is what your interface should look like. Clean, simple, easy to understand. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm already excited to use this. Now you'll see a prompt box, and an AI agent option. This allows you to choose what you want to generate, images, videos, or even audio, so everything is in one place. Now below that, you'll see different options. Go ahead and click on Image, and you'll notice something important. It clearly shows that it's using the Dream model, which is exactly what we want. Now for the part you've been waiting for. Let's actually test it. You can see I have 0 credits, 0, nothing. And it still says it can generate. So let's prove it. Head over to ChatGPT, or any AI chatbot you prefer, and get your prompt ready. Once you've got it, copy it, head back to the website, paste it in, and click Generate. Now give it a moment, let it process, and wow, this image, just wow. I'm actually impressed. The quality, the detail, everything looks clean. Go ahead and download it. Now let's repeat the same process, again, and again, just to prove that it's actually unlimited. Second image, ready. And hold on, which photographer took this? Because wow, this looks insane. Now the third image, and again, wow, 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 wow. At this point, I'm honestly running out of words. Now the final image. And yeah, still amazing. Make sure you download all of them. Don't skip that part. Now let's move on to video. So first, pick any image you want to turn into a video. Then either copy the same prompt, or come up with a new one that matches the image. Now locate Generate Video, and click on it. Paste your prompt, and click Generate. Now you can already see it processing. And while it's generating, let's multitask. Pick another image, repeat the same process, and generate another video. Now both videos are ready, and wow, that was fast. One of them failed, most likely because of the prompt. It happens sometimes, but the first one, beautiful, like, genuinely beautiful. It followed the prompt perfectly. The details, the motion, everything looks cinematic. Go ahead and download it. And just like that, you've generated high-quality images and videos, with 0 credits, completely free. That's actually crazy. Alright, let's move on with the video. 4 truly Seedance 2.0 official websites from ByteDance you can use. And next, we're going to be looking at some of the official platforms connected to ByteDance, the ones that actually give access to the real models. Now this part, a bit more advanced, but also very powerful, so stay locked in. First on the list, we have Volk Engine. Now this is ByteDance's enterprise-level cloud service. So yeah, this one is more on the technical side. Once you sign in, it becomes pretty straightforward to use. All you have to do is navigate to the model square, select Daobao Seedance 2.0, and you can run tests directly in the browser. Now this platform is best for people who want to see raw performance. No filters, no extra layers, just the model doing its thing. It's perfect for testing, especially if you want to understand how powerful the model really is behind the scenes. Quick advice though, keep an eye on official updates from tools like CapCut and Dreamina, because things are changing fast, and right now, international access can still be a bit limited, so you might need to explore platforms like Dreamina or Xiaoyonkui for full access. Also very important, don't subscribe to global versions expecting full access to all features just yet. Some things are still rolling out. Next, we have Xiaoyonkui, and this one, low-key a hidden gem. Like, not a lot of people talk about it, But the ones who know, yeah, they know. This platform is best for getting the most free credits. And that's a big deal. When you sign up, you get around 1,200 credits as a bonus. That's already crazy. But it doesn't stop there. You also get about 120 credits daily, so you can keep generating content every single day. Now in terms of cost, it's very efficient. Generating 1 second of video costs around 10 credits, which means you can generate about 12 seconds of video daily, for free, consistently. And if you decide to go further, there's even a low-cost subscription option. So overall, very solid platform, especially if you want to maximize usage without spending much. Next up, we have Doubao. Now this one is more focused on simplicity, especially for mobile users. So if you're someone who prefers creating on your phone, this might be for you. It has a very clean and straightforward interface. Easy to use, no complications. But there are a few limitations. You get about 10 free generations per day, and the video durations are fixed, usually around 5 to 10 seconds. No advanced controls, no fine-tuning, and access can sometimes be restricted. In some cases, you might need approval through specific groups before using certain features. So yeah, simple and useful, but a bit limited. And finally, we have CapCut. Now this one is interesting, because the model is actually being integrated directly into CapCut's AI tools, which makes it easier to access for a lot of people. Depending on your region, you might already see some of these features, but keep in mind, the rollout is still happening globally, so not everyone has full access yet. But once it's fully available, this could easily become one of the most convenient ways to use these tools. So yeah, these are some of the main platforms you should know about. Each one has its own strengths. Some are more advanced, some are more accessible, and some are just better for getting the most value. Now that you know where to look, you're already ahead of most people. Alright, let's move on to the next part. And up next, we're going to be looking at websites that claim they have the C-Dream model. Now this part is important, because not everything you see online is exactly what it says it is. So we're going to test them out. No bias, no assumptions, just results. First on the list, we have Seedream 4.0. Now just from the name alone, you can already tell they're making a bold claim, like they're really asserting dominance with that name. So let's see if it lives up to it. We're already on their official website, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Now once you're in, locate Seedream 4.0 and click on it. And this is what your interface should look like. From here, go ahead and locate Seedream 4.0 Maker, and click on it again. Now right next to it, you'll notice it says free, which is always a good sign. Now you can use this for image to image, but for this test, we're using text to image. So you'll see the prompt box, and everything you need is already there. From here, the next step is obvious. Paste your prompt, click generate, and let's see what happens. Alright, first image is ready. And honestly, it looks good, not bad at all. Go ahead and download it. Now let's try the second image. Generate, wait, and okay, this one is also solid. Fabulous, actually. Go ahead and download it. And just like that, we've tested it. Now let's move on to the next tool. Next up, we have Dreamina AI. Again, very bold name, very confident branding, so naturally, we're expecting something strong. Now this is what their dashboard looks like. You can see the space for generating images. I've already signed in, and everything is pretty straightforward. Prompt box, basic settings, nothing complicated. So from here, same process. Let's start with the first prompt, generate, wait, and the image is ready. Now, I'm not entirely sure if this matches what we expect from a true C-Dream level output, but it's decent. So let's go ahead and download it. Now let's try the second image, generate, wait, and okay, this one looks much better. Better quality, better detail, more refined. So yeah, go ahead and download that too. And just like that, we've tested both tools. Now let's move on to the next part, which is monetization. Room 11. So what is this platform? It's a content monetization platform, but not like the usual ones. It's actually designed to help creators earn more, with more control. If you scroll down, you'll see that Room 11 is positioned as a premium creator fund platform with tons of different ways to make money. And not just more ways, better payouts too. For example, most platforms give creators around 60 to 80%, but here, you can earn up to 90%. That's one of the highest payout rates out there, with almost no restrictions, and a full VIP-style experience. Now let's talk about the tools. First, security. The platform includes strong encryption, DMCA protection, and options to block users or even entire locations, so your content stays private and secure. Second, there's no cross-promotion. That means when someone joins your page, they don't see other creators. Your traffic stays completely yours. There's also premium support, including a concierge-style system, which is a really big feature. And switching over is easy. You can import your content directly from platforms like OnlyFans or Fansly. Since this is a fan-based platform, there are multiple ways to earn. You've got live streams, video calls, direct fan interaction, all in one place. Plus, there's a referral program to increase your income even more. Another big advantage, they support all types of content. Yes, that includes AI-generated content, which a lot of platforms don't allow. Now, one of the standout features is the personal concierge service. These are professional agents who help manage your account based on your goals. Think of it like having your own assistant. They can help schedule live streams, manage calls, organize your content, and even help you earn more by optimizing everything. The platform supports creators from all kinds of niches: ASMR, gaming, podcasts, cooking, and more. And yes, uncensored content is allowed. Getting started is simple. You can join and start monetizing right away. So if you're serious about making money from your content, this is definitely a platform worth checking out. Check the link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI content like this.